Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan today. All right, now this is going to be a combo stuff here. First, I'm going to do a video on unboxing one of the crock pots that my wife bought, because we're going to be using 3 of them, I think. But she got a 40% off thing or whatever from Kohl's, and she was all excited, so she got 2 crock pots. I think there's 7-quart crock pots, but we're going to unbox one of those. Then I got to wash it out, which I'm not going to show you. And then we're going to use that, which I am going to show you. But that'll be in the other video. So just hang tight. We're unboxing for this one, and then we'll move on to the next one. So, without further ado, let's hit it. Okay, there you see it, the crock pot, the slow cooker. This is one of those ones she got from Kohl's, and it's right here. See the Kohl's thing? We didn't even, well, we went in because we didn't have to, but we went in to get it because she told them we would go to get it. But anyway, there's that, and then just tell you how big it is. It's a 7-quart oval, and that's enough food for 9+ people, whatever. So we're going to unbox it right quick just to show you what it is. Okay, I was going to get us a razor to open this, but I said, what the heck, let's just take the knife. It'll be easy enough. And pull it open, huh? But she wanted another one. Why, I don't really know. But then she got a coupon for 40% off, which is good, or is good. Nice looking crock pot, huh? So here you see the empty box. See, empty. Inside of this, there's a styrofoam cage for everything to be settled up in. I'm trying to push this up with my finger, I got it. On the top is the lid, huh? Nice lid, as lids go. Okay, one piece of styrofoam in the box. The instruction manual, the plug, the removable ceramic pot, or whatever kind of pot it is. You know, this is a standard little crock pot thing. The one we've had, I think was a 5-quart. We've had that for, 20-something years, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, there you have it. So, that's the unboxing. Now, you'll see this in another video. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, how they box it. And Penny got a good deal on both of these, so she was really extremely happy. I, on the other hand, really don't care. As long as it works, she's happy. And I know I'll use it, but today we're going to use it. You'll see the next video up will be what we're doing for our holiday get-together. So for right now, this is Mr. Dan saying stay tuned for the part number 2.